The book of John Ray, what your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So ano ba yung story natin today? How to best learn a new skill. So, while we're learning yung advanced relationship skills na tinuturo sa atin ni Sir John Ray, it is difficult for a man. It can be learned. Just as with any skill, in the early stages, he needs a lot of successful practice. So, in the early stages of practice, it need to be designed so that a man's success is ensured. So, yung parang, in order to motivate our partner, our men in our lives, whether children, husband, boyfriend, or boss, is kailangan yung ginagawa natin is may success factor. Kasi kung walang success factor, hindi natin sila mako-convince to do it this way. Kasi parang feeling na it's a useless endeavor. Women need to remember that there is no greater motivation for a man than success. The more successful a man feels in the decision making, the more involved he gets to trying to understand what her needs are. So tayo po yun. While at the same time, respecting his own. So yan, parang mutual collaboration talaga po, di ba? So yung may story daw si Sir John Gray about a world champion bowler. So sabi niya, yung story ng father niya is when he was still training to be a bowler, sabi niya, since his dad niya owned the bowling lanes, he would program that the bowling pin would hit the pins, no, para maging ano siya, hit. So as a result, the boy never missed. But this repeated success motivated the young man to practice more and build the confidence or a world champion. So with our children or our partner, parang we have to work it out that they will feel successful na okay yung ginawa nating strategy or activity para ma-motivate natin sila to be more of what we want them to be, diba? Yung success nga po, sabi niya no greater motivator for man than success. So siguro hindi naman kailangan man, tayo rin po, our children, men or girl or boy, kailangan po talaga yung success strategy para ma-motivate natin sila to do what we want or what is best for them and ma-motivate po yung or ma-hone or ma-develop yung kanilang potentials. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.